Paragraphing. When a letter consists of only one paragraph, the paragraph is not numbered, although its subparagraphs will be lettered if there are two or more. When there are two or more paragraphs, they are numbered consecutively. The first line of a paragraph is indented 5 bar spaces. The succeeding line begin only on the left margin. So, kung ang bilog nga letter AB is one paragraph only, hindi na magbutang sang number. Pero kung ang letter nga na AB sa paragraph is may gina-point out bala, so pwede ka na dala magamit sang letter. And kung two or more paragraphs naman, butang ang ginadapat number consecutively. So, dapat sa first line sang paragraph is may na siya, may 5 bar spaces na siya, indented. So, do ilog bala sa excuse letter bala, di ba sa first line is dapat ma-start ka sa first line mo ara sa ulunan, dapat may space. Then sa next line ma-start na siya sa pinaka left sang margin. There must be at least 2 subparagraphs. First subdivisions are designated by the letters A, B, C, and so on. The first line is indented so that the designating letters appears directly under the first letter of the first word in the main paragraph. The second and succeeding lines of the subparagraphs begin on the left margin. So, sa first subdivision is gagamit din siya sang letter A, B, C for the first level of subpoints. Then, sa first line, bali sa first line indented na siya, bali ang may 5 bar spaces na siya. Then sa other lines start na siya sa left, bali wala sang indentation, bali sa pinaka left gina siya sang margin. Second subdivisions of paragraphs are designated by numbers in parentheses 1, 2, etc. If necessary, additional subdivisions are designated by underscored number. The first line of these subdivisions is indented. The second and succeeding lines begin on the left margin. So, sa second subdivision, diri gagamit din siya sang mga numbers in parentheses like 1, 2, 3, and etc. And if gakinal ni siya sang more levels, gagamit ni sang underlined numbers. So, sa first line is indented man ni siya. Then, sa other lines naman niya, bali start ni siya straight at the normal left edge, bali sa pinaka left naman sa margin. So daw same lang sila sang first subdivision. Abbreviations. A memorandum allows abbreviations that are generally accepted in the police service. They are usually written without spacing or periods, except for geographical locations, which can be written with or without periods. If the full name is used, the abbreviated rank is permissible. For example, PCOL Juan de la Cruz. If family name only, the rank is spelled out. For example, Police Colonel de la Cruz. So, diri sa abbreviations, ginapanubo na din nila ang words which are generally nga gina-accept sa police service. For example, PCOL, PLTCOL. And also, nasulat ni nila sa report without spaces and periods. Sa abbreviated ranks naman, if full name ang nakasulat, bali ibutang di rank plus full name. For example, Police Cap PCPT Arnolfo Caberoy. Then, kung apelyido naman niya ang nakasulat, full rank na diyang ibutang. For example, Police Captain Bisana. References. References to publications must be specific and fully implemented. References are not made to a publication or document which is not available to the addresses of the correspondents. So, there is references. Ang references is siya ng documents or sources nga ginagamit as basis ang isa ka report or letter. Para dasig makita ka researchers kung di ninahalin nga documents or information ang unod sang isa ka report. Page numbering. The first page should not be numbered. Subsequent pages, including those on which endorsements are prepared, are numbered consecutively, beginning with the second period as 2. The page number is centered 1 inch from the bottom of the page. The number should stand by itself and should not be set off by dashes, parentheses, or some other punctuation. So, sa page numbering, sa first page, wala na disang number nga nakabutang. Mas start ka butang sa number sa page 2, 3, and so on. kag ibutang ang number sa centered 1 inch from the bottom of the page, and dapat only number lang hindi mo ibutang. Hindi ka dapat magamit sang dashes, symbols, or parentheses. Dividing a paragraph. 3 or more fewer lines should not be divided between pages. At least 2 lines of a divided paragraph should appear on each page. In dividing a sentence between pages, at least 2 words should appear on each page. A word should not be divided between 2 pages. The complementary ending should not appear alone on a page without part of the body or text. So sa dividing a paragraph, hindi dapat pag-divide ang 3 lines kada pages. For example, ang first line abi isa ka page, second line isa ka page, third line isa ka page. Dapat at least 2 lines matinir gyapon sa page. And also, at least 2 line pwede naka-proceed sa next page, and dapat hindi na di pag-split ang word. For example, inform abi sa first page. Then sa second page naman abi mention. So hindi na siya pwede. Dapat iupod gid na sila sa isa ka line ang information. When the space below the text is not sufficient for the clause, at least 2 lines of the last paragraph or subparagraph, which in its entirely consists of only 1 line, may be placed on the last page together with the complementary ending. So kung hindi kaygo ang paragraph sa isa ka page, move ka at least 2 lines or 1 line sa next page para sa complementary ending. On the second and each succeeding page, the file reference and subject should be typed beginning on the left margin, 1.25 inches from the top edge of the page. The text is continued on the second line below the identification line. So, kada bago nga page, butang ka sang file reference or subject sa left margin, 1.25 inches sa babaw bago padayunon ang text. Complementary ending. As in business letters, there is also a closing portion in a memorandum. This refers to the materials found below at least paragraph of the body. It consists of the authority line if used, signature, list of enclosures, and list of copies being furnished. So, ang complementary ending is a closing part ni siya sang memorandum. Authority line. An authority line should be shown when the correspondence is signed for the chief or head of an agency or office by an individual authorized to do so. This reflects the fact that the communication is an expression of the will of the chief himself. So, ang authority line, ginagamit ini kung ang isa ka tawo is nag-sign sang isa ka document on behalf of a superior or sang head sang isa ka agency or office. Ga-reflect man na di ang intention sang head or chief bisan wala any ginsignan personally. The authority line begins on the second line below the last paragraph directly under the first word of the preceding main paragraph. It is typed in capital letters without abbreviations. A staff officer may sign under the authority line only when authorized to do so. So, diri ga-start na di siya sa second line right after the last paragraph. Ginsulat man ni siya completely in capital letters and wala na di gamit sa mga abbreviations. Next is signature. The signature contains the name of the officer, usually his first name, middle initial, and last name. Signed in the black or blue black ink, never blue or any other color. The name being typed, stamped, or printed in all capital letters, identical with the written name, the officer's rank or service, and title designation. So, sa signature, dapat nakabutang na di mo full name and including na di ang imo nga first name, middle name, and also ang imo nga last name. And kung mag-sign ka, dapat imo gamiton nga ink is black or blue black lang, hindi blue. And dapat ang ginbutang or ang gintype mo di nga name is nga-match sa imo gisulat, and dapat included or added na di ang rank, job, or position sang isa ka officer. And lastly, the enclosures. Enclosures are supplementary documents which are sent with the communication to provide additional information. When the letter has one or more enclosures, this fact is entered on the left side of the page following manner. So, sa enclosures, dire, amon sila mga extra document sent with the letter, like reports, photos, statements, para makatag sang mga additional details. If may aras ang enclosures, ilista ini sa left side sang page.